Apple Glasses, the long-rumored augmented reality smart glasses, are likely still a few years away from launching. However, Apple's new headset could arrive before the end of 2023, while the glasses are expected to follow in 2026. Technical challenges have reportedly caused delays in the development of Apple Glasses, leading to speculation that a cheaper mixed reality headset may be released first. The Apple VR and mixed reality headset is also in the works and is expected to debut sometime this year. It will reportedly feature ultra-high resolution screens and a cinematic speaker system, and benefit from its own app store. The glasses may not require prescription lenses, as they will automatically adjust for people with poor eyesight using an optical subassembly. Apple may employ a projection-based system that beams images directly into the user's eye to avoid issues such as headaches, nausea, and eye strain. Other features include changing backgrounds on the fly, viewing parts of the world projected onto the lenses, and tracking finger and hand movements accurately using smart rings. The latest prototype of Apple Glasses reportedly looks like a pair of plastic glasses with a scanner on the right temple and no other cameras for privacy reasons. The glasses are expected to be an accessory to the iPhone and may have swappable arms that each supply a distinct purpose or carry out a different function. The headset may use Sony OLED displays for AR, and it's reasonable to expect the Apple Glasses to connect directly to the iPhone on a dedicated Wi-Fi connection. Apple is exploring ways to make recording with the glasses obvious to bystanders who would prefer not to be caught on camera, including making the camera module removable or using lights to show when the device is recording. The latest patents for Apple indicate that the Apple VR AR headset could use gloves or Apple Watch to sense finger gestures, and that these features could make their way to Apple Glasses. There's not much information on the potential software, but it would make sense for Apple to come up with a custom OS for its VR and AR gadgets. Apple is working on making their upcoming Apple Glasses last through an average workday, but it may not happen in the first generation. There are still rumors and leaks circulating about the product. Realereum will be your one-stop shop for Apple Glasses hire.